Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40. It's a Saturday morning, it's quite sunny but it's quite cold, 3.5 degrees. At least it's not icy and snowy like it has been the last few days. Ride along with me, we'll see how it goes. See you when I've loaded up. For weight, €5, 12 aside, 9 thirds, like Thursday, 3/3 and 5 aging. So we've got 38 bags, 6 stops.
Lady said to the group, I've not even seen Let's this morning.
Hello. These ones are a bit heavy. Here we go, all done for you.
Thank you.
Thanks, have a nice day. Yeah. Hello.
Thank you. Sorry, normally they just chuck it in the porch and leave it there.
But the instructions say leave it behind the wheelie bin, but I guess that's for parcels.
Yeah, that's for parcels. Yeah, I was going to say,
Sorry.
normally the Morrison people, they just literally open the door and lob it in for me.
Okay, thanks. Hello, got your Morrison's for you.
Hi.
Hello. There we go, 5. All done for you.
Just 5, yeah?
Yep.
Right, thank you.
Thank you. I got 12 bags for you. Okay. And okay. All done for you. Yep. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. Am I on your way? You all right? Okay. Oh, hello. Got your Morrisons for you. It must have ordered something good because it's asking me your year of birth. 1961. Super. There we go. All done for you. 5 bags. Oh, we made it. I didn't think it was going to squeeze through there. Cheers. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block, done with about 10 minutes to spare. Used a little bit of fuel going to the first stop, and then everything else was on electric, so it cost me less than £1 to do the actual deliveries. £40 for the block. Took less than 2 hours, so I'd say it's £20 an hour. Still think it's worth it. And the bonus with this block is I'm only a mile away from home. If you enjoy these ride-along videos, give me a thumbs up. And you can also subscribe if you want to see more of Marvin's Flex tips. That's it for today. Bye for now.